Today we are going to show you the best mini PC you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best mini PCs for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you with the best tech products that you can buy now. Product links in the description box. In this video we'll be covering mini PC, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5. Intel Nuke 12 Pro. The Intel Nuke 12 Pro Wall Street Canyon is a new example of Intel's next unit of computing initiative. The Nuke 12 Pro is a powerful and compact device, measuring 4 by 6 by 4.4 inches. It can hold up to 8 terabytes of storage and has 64 gigabytes of RAM. Our Core i7-1260P test unit costs $1,064 with a 512 GB solid-state drive and 16 GB of memory. Nukes are available as ready-made or bare-bone kits, but they don't come with an operating system. So, you'll have to budget for a copy of Windows unless you prefer Linux or Chrome. The Core i7 chip and Iris Xe integrated graphics provide the Nuke 12 Pro with excellent productivity performance. Additionally, it has 3 USB 3.0 ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4/USB-C ports, 2 HDMI ports, 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6E, making it highly connected. This is the current flagship from the mini PC leader and is particularly attractive to those who are picky about the device's configuration and want a dual-monitor desk setup. Although not suitable for professional workstations, this little Intel device is an excellent option for any office job. Number 4. GMKtec NucBox K1. The GMKtec NucBox K1 mini PC is a powerful machine that utilizes the Ryzen 7 6800H processor and its integrated Radeon 680M GPU to great effect. This mobile processor is used in many high-spec laptops, making the K1's performance very close to that of the Beelink SER6 Pro 7735HS, which uses the Ryzen 7 7735HS mobile CPU. The entry-level SKU for the NucBox K1 is a cheap barebone system where the buyer must supply DDR5 memory, NVMe, and an operating system. Alternatively, it can come pre-configured with up to 32 GB of memory and 1 TB of NVMe Gen 4 storage, but at a higher cost. It's important to note that our review SKU came with a single 16 GB memory module that underperformed without access to the bandwidth of dual-channel memory. With dual memory modules installed, the K1 is easily fast enough to compete with the Intel Nuke 13 Pro and outperforms any Core i5 or Celeron-powered machines. Access for memory or storage changes is remarkably easy and doesn't even require the removal of screws. The only other point to note about the K1 is that while it comes with a USB 4.0 port, it's not Thunderbolt compatible. Overall, for the asking price, this is an amazing mini PC that can handle numerous tasks in the home and office with ease. Number 3. Ace Magician Mini Gaming PC. The Ace Magician Mini Gaming PC is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5500U mobile CPU, which includes 7 AMD Radeon Vega graphics cores. This ensures that the machine delivers high performance and is comparable to most affordable gaming laptops. It has enough power to handle most sports games, especially older ones like League of Legends or Counter-Strike Go, with high frame rates. Additionally, it can handle other cloud and casual games. However, serious gamers might want more than what this machine offers. They may prefer one of the best gaming laptops or the best gaming PCs. Nevertheless, for a basic bedroom or productivity machine that can also be used to play games, this system is a solid, relatively low-cost option. It's noteworthy that this model comes with 16 GB of DDR4 memory and a 512 GB SSD, making it snappy and responsive during everyday use. Although it's a little larger than some of the other mini PCs on this list, it's no bigger than a console game system. Plus, the mini PC has a unique look and fancy RGB lighting that help it stand out from the competition. The machine comes pre-fitted with 3 different performance modes, allowing it to easily drop its noise levels and temperatures when it matters the most. Number 2. Beelink SER6 Pro 7735HS. The Beelink S6 Pro 7735HS is a tiny computer that packs a powerful punch. It boasts the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 mobile technology, making it a top contender for users seeking a fast, high-performing NUC. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7000 series processor, this computer has 8 cores and can process 16 threads, making it one of the most robust small system platforms available. With 32GB of DDR5 4800, a Gen 4 NVMe drive, and a chipset that includes Thunderbolt, a 2.5GB LAN port, and Intel Wi-Fi 6E, the Beelink S6 Pro 7735HS delivers a seamless and positive user experience. Although the machine comes with 32GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, it can be upgraded to 64GB and at least 2TB of storage through drop-in replacements, making it a highly flexible device. Despite the ease of upgrading, dismantling the machine to add these upgrades could be challenging for some users. However, the power and efficiency of this platform are distinctive, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a NUC for demanding jobs. The only downside is that the single Thunderbolt port is on the front, which may not be ideal for users with docking stations. Overall, the Beelink S6 Pro 7735HS is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-performing NUC, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. It costs around $300 less than the Intel Nuke 13 Pro, making it an excellent value for money. We anticipate that many NUC makers will embrace this new silicon to deliver new high-performance options, making the Beelink S6 Pro 7735HS an excellent investment for the future. Number 1. Apple Mac Mini M2 Processor. The Apple Mac Mini M2 is a compact device that delivers impressive performance and efficiency. It can handle most computing tasks without taking up too much space. Although it doesn't have the same power as the Mac Pro and Mac Studio, its performance is still exceptional. Whether you're browsing the web, working on a project, or editing videos, the Mac Mini M2 can handle it all, and it can even handle casual gaming. Inside the Mac Mini M2, you'll find the same M2 processor as in Apple's latest MacBook Air and MacBook Pro laptops, but at a lower cost. This makes it the least expensive path to owning a Mac computer, assuming you already have a compatible keyboard, mouse, and monitor. The device is also quiet, with a near-silent fan. Additionally, it offers a range of configurations, from 8GB of RAM and a 256GB SSD to 24GB of RAM and a 2TB SSD. If you need more space, you can easily expand it externally with a Thunderbolt 3 drive. The Mac Mini M2 has 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI, a headphone jack, and Gigabit Ethernet. It supports Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 6E. Overall, the Mac Mini M2 is an excellent compact computing solution that is suitable for gamers, professionals, and anyone looking for a powerful yet compact device. However, the best mini PC for you will depend on your needs and budget. Consider what you'll primarily use it for, the performance you expect, and how much you're willing to spend. This text highlights the top 5 mini PCs available today, each with a unique blend of power, portability, and performance. They offer a range of options, from budget-friendly models to high-end powerhouses. The world of mini PCs is more versatile and exciting than ever. If you're interested in technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and insights. We're always here to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of tech. So, embrace the power of compact computing and make it an extraordinary part of your everyday life. Thanks for reading, and we'll catch you in the next article with more tech treasures. Over and out.